guys, welcome to my first vlog. Today is Valentine's Day. I'm getting myself ready and I've made a heart-shaped pizza. Then I'm making some heart shapes with ketchup. I'm using a small spoon to add hearts on the plate as well as on the pizza. We are almost there, ta-da! Then I'm baking it for 15 minutes. It's all ready! Now I'm getting myself ready to meet my boyfriend. Let's go! I hope you like my little surprise, but when I opened the door, I accidentally dropped the pizza. Everything is ruined. I immediately close the door and tell him to come back after 15 minutes. I'm trying to make the best out of this, and perhaps I can transform this into a watercolor painting. I'm drawing a couple, and now I'm drawing the girl's eyes, eyeballs, nose, and then her mouth. And then I'm getting the pieces of corns and cutting them into half. Let's make a pepperoni and corn guitar. Now I'm drawing the eyes of the boy. I really hope this will turn out well. I'm not really good at drawing males because they always turns out to look like a Barbie or a girl. I guess that's how to draw a boy's hairstyle and then the girl's hair. Now it's time to add some watercolor for the background. I'm turning the background green because they are playing guitar on the grassland. And perhaps I can add some pinkish and warm tone as well. And since it's Valentine's Day, I'm drawing a red floral dress for the girl. Okay, I guess I should concentrate on doing this and let's chat later. I hope you guys are enjoying this video and I hope you all have a lovely Valentine's Day.